Okay, còn nó giờ thay basil đó. Okay. Nó giờ phải cho basil rồi nè. Okay. Right now I put basil in it. It's Thai basil. Then once I do that, I start at rice wine vinegar. Just a little bit. You don't have to add a lot. Just a tiny bit. Then I will add a little bit of bean sauce. I put a little bit of bean sauce oil to it. Okay. And I stir. And after a little bit of stir, then put vegetable in it. So this is Chinese broccoli that I use. If you don't want to add the noodle, you could just cook it this way too, and it's fine. Yeah, they got cheese add noodle. They got cook it no, so it's okay. Okay, yeah. Mommy does like okay, then you don't cut it. Okay. And I use the stem with the leaf and the flower. You can see it looks. You can see that this looks more like Chinese broccoli. So you get a closer look. And I use the stem and the leaves and the flowers together. So now I add a little bit black pepper. I mean, as much as you like, but to me, I prefer this much. Not too much. If too much, it's no good. And I add a little bit water to it.